Yesterday I was amazing.
Have you tried yelling louder?
I'm shy, not broken.
Interesting.
That word again?
Your fire may be tired.
How do you feel, Spark?
Like I disappointed everyone.
Even fire needs rest. I rest all the time.
That explains a lot.
Okay, no pressure.
It blinked.
Your fire listens to your heart, not your fear. So it's okay to slow down?
Always.